Hi there, this is Sumanth, and I've taken part in the tech camp of GyanPro. So, this is my animation that I've made. Animation game. So now it's like a tower defense game, but instead you're defending the diamond. Oh no, that was a little bit of a bug there. So I've made the jetpack react to the robot by making sure that the X and Y are as the same as the robot on the jetpack. So the way you'll win if you get 20 you get 20 points. You can see in your score at the top. You win. So if your dragons touch the diamond 3 times, then you will lose. So this is my game, and I really enjoyed making it.